Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to send quality videos from iPhone to Android. Sending videos from the iPhone to an Android can sometimes reduce video quality if you use standard text messages. To keep the original quality, use a file sharing or cloud service that supports high resolution transfers. Follow these steps to send high quality videos from an iPhone to an Android device. To begin, unlock your iPhone, then open the Photos app. Select the video you want to send, tap the Share button, choose Save to Files, and tap the Save button if you want to upload the video first. Open the Files app and locate the uploaded video. Tap and hold the video, then select Share. Here, choose the Mail option. Choose the To choose the email of the recipient. Ask the recipient of the email to open the link and download the original video. Send the video by tapping the Send button on the email account of an Android user. Confirm that the downloaded video plays in its original quality, and avoid sending large videos through MMS as it typically compresses video quality. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.